What up? This your boy, Darius Mitchell, the hip hop Republican. And we got an uprising in Cuba, Havana, people fighting for their lives. And you know, that's what America always wanted, right? They wanted the Cuban people to fight against the communist regime and fight for freedom. You see the rally in Washington, D.C. on Saturday. The president's gone from D.C. all weekend. 6-year-old girl shot and killed. A shooting at the Washington Nationals game where people are ducking for their lives with their kids, running for their lives. San Diego Padre players bringing families into their dugout. President comes back Monday. One thing, in the new America, people work 7 days a week, 24 hours a day, and you don't get a weekend. You don't get Saturday and Sunday, especially when you're president. President comes back, what are you going to do about Cuba? He's going to study remittance. 61-year embargo. The president's been in Washington 48 years, and he's still studying Cuba. There's a problem. He wants to set up a working group. He's going to send more staff to the Havana embassy. That's what you call doing just enough to get by. Remember when you were in high school or you were in school and you got a D or a C, you were doing just enough to get by. We got a president who does just enough to get by. Always standing in the way when it's time for America to go to the next level. Chuck Schumer, Cory Booker come out last week. They got a marijuana bill in the U.S. Senate. Democrats are the majority in the Senate. All you guys go out, vote Democrat over and over and over again. We all know marijuana users and our families and our friends and our community. We all know that states are legalizing marijuana, and we still got Joe Biden dragging his feet like always. How much longer we gotta wait? He's been in Washington 50 years. Cuba, that's the championship issue for America. Foreign policy to get it back. You know, where's the vice president? Where's the secretary of state? The Cuban people are awesome. You got all these farmers in the Midwest who want to sell Cuba rice. They want to sell Cuba poultry. They want to sell Cuba pork. They want to sell Cuba beef. Still the same person, same type of people. They've been holding the Cuban embargo over the Cuban people for 6 decades since JFK was here. Still in the way. And American people, take your championship. Help. The president can't call Procter & Gamble. The president can't call J&J and say, hey, I need some help getting some toiletries to Havana. Can you do that for me? Jeff Bezos, the Gates Foundation. I need your help. We want to help the Cubans out. Let's get them some fresh spring water. Let's get them something. But nope, we got the president standing in the way again. And watch out, American people, because he will shortchange you over and over and over. The shortchange president. And enough of the shortchange. It's the year 2021. The embargo is 61 years old. And it's time to end the embargo. It's time to tear down that wall.